Guys, we got a 2020 Nissan Altima and we got the indication key battery is low. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this car off and we're gonna start it back up. So it's telling us key battery low. Let's wait for it. Right there, key battery low. And they're talking about this battery right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the battery on this guy. And I'm gonna show you how to do it, the part number on the battery and everything you need to know. So let's shut off this vehicle and let's get out of this guy. And what we're gonna do is very simple. I'm gonna get my camera and we're gonna do this together. So this is the vehicle 2020 Nissan Altima. Okay, so we got the battery for the controller, CR2032. That's the number right there. You can find that guy. So what I want to do here is, let's open up, we're going to need a scissor here. What we're going to do is, let's cut this guy open. And I want to have the battery ready. That way we don't make that mistake. That. Have everything ready. Okay, so I'm going to use the hood of this car. I'm going to put the battery here. Make sure you don't damage anything. So hopefully I don't want to damage the paint there either. So what you want to do here is, see this little guy? Push on this little tab. It's like a little button. Push on it and pull out this battery. I'm sorry, the key. Let's put this down. Let's not hurt the hood paint. So right over here, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, as small as you can. Right over here, you have little notches. So you're gonna stick your screwdriver. Don't just push it all the way in, because you will damage this guy. So slowly try to get this guy open. Try to get the smallest screwdriver you can find. Okay, and once you have a bit open, stick your fingernail in there, and then you just take your flathead screwdriver, just work all the way around, just like that. And what we're gonna do here is hold it up just like that. The buttons. Okay, let's hold the. I just want to get it open a little bit more. So the chips are on this side, so you don't want to drop the chips. Chips meaning the circuit board. There's our battery right there. So let's put this down. So notice how the battery is positioned. Okay, make sure you get the battery positioned the same way. Use your flathead screwdriver or the scissor I have here. Just get this guy out of there. Yeah, we're pretty much done here. Okay, so it will tell you here. Okay, even over here it will tell you the size, CR2032. And remember, this is facing down, this is the positive and this is the negative. So same way, we're gonna take the new battery and just stick it in, just like so. And it does have a little weather strip on the, okay, sitting on this gray little area right here. Make sure that sits properly. So what you wanna do is slowly just take this guy and make sure you don't grab the button area, just the edges, squeeze it. Make sure it's aligned properly first. And it should click just like that. And it should lock. And it should unlock. Okay, you don't have to do anything else. Take your key, stick it back in there. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna take our camera now. We're gonna go inside the vehicle. Let's unlock it. And what we're gonna do here is, let's close the door. We should not have that warning sign anymore. The warning sign should not come on. You don't have to do anything. No programming, no resetting, no nothing. And you're all set once you do this. There you go. No sign. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. I do have brake job video on this car and a cabin filter. So if you need to know that, you are in good hands.